Hello and welcome to a very miserable and damp Sunday morning. Today I am going to try my best, try is the word, to get this bench area up to height and hopefully with tops. So it's not, oh, ow, go this way. So we haven't got too much to really do. I had to rush off Friday, so I couldn't really show you where we got to. But that is the seat. So we've got the seat where you put your bum. That is in, just to sort of help us with the heights and stuff. So today, I'm going to get this back up. So see this line here? This was level on Friday, because obviously I've left it a couple of days. I will re-level that in, because the line has sagged, always does, especially this moisture. So yeah, I'll redo the line, just make sure that is dead straight. Once I've got this back up, what I'll do, I will crack on with the corners. Well, start this one all the way to the end there, carry on there. And then from the seat, I need to measure 50 centimetres and then start building a wall. So that'll be like the backrest. Once I get that wall up to the same height as this wall, we can then put tops on. So it's going to be like a massive fat pillar, basically. This is really wide. It's a bit too wide, but we had to sort of keep to the same specifications as what was there already. So yeah, so once we sort of get, you know, backrest, I want to try and get that up, basically get all this filled in. Like I say, it's going to be a bit of a hench pillar, but yeah, it is what it is. So without further ado, let's crack on with Sunday. Weird saying that. So anyway, let's go knock a bit of muck up and crack on with today. Lovely jubbly. Please don't rain. Look at that, first one up. Do you know what, that was actually a bit more complicated than I thought. It wasn't really complicated, it's just trying to get my head around it, because like I say, I'm just trying to, you know, we're trying to make it as simple as possible. But like, yeah, it's just that pillar, absolutely massive, because that's all going to be topped, like, so the exact same tops as that is going to be on that massive square. But that is basically it. So I've just done the back wall here, so this wall here will run all the way along, and same again there, really. Yeah, look, it's absolutely massive. So I'll probably leave that, to be honest with you. I just want to crack on with this wall now. I've already got my corner up to height, so that corner is spot on up to height. So I'll get this line filled in first, and then get that in. Oh, actually, I lie, as you can see there, that wall there, I'm actually going to get this side in. This side's a bit higher, so it's just a lot easier to build, really. So if I actually get this wall in all the way along, I'll set a line up. Basically, I'm going to make this wall 400 mil wide. So obviously, because this is dead straight, I can just sort of measure off it and then get that wall. So once that wall's in, all the way down, doff, same again. Sort of cut it off, 500, it's about halfway on there. So yeah, no, we are getting there. It looks a bit of a mess at the minute, but yeah, like I say, this will be easy, this bit. Bang this wall in, and then yeah, even if we leave it like that today, and just want to try and get this other one up because time is ticking. It's just so many corners and stuff, and now the stone's getting a bit sort of thin. It's just taking a bit longer, really, to yeah, sort of, especially on the corners really. That's the thing that's taking the time. But you can sort of see the shape. It's all good. I've double checked all the measurements. It's not dead square, it's more of a rectangle, if you know what I mean. But yeah, no, it's all go. But yeah. Oh, absolutely sweating. It's yeah, sun's not really been out, as you can see. It's just about to pop out, but it's humid, proper humid. But oh, it's all right. Let's keep going. Like I say, bang this wall in after a cup of tea, and then I'll crack on with that pillar there. Lovely jubbly. Look at that. Oh, what a day. Righty. Sunday squashed. I am absolutely knackered. That was hard work. But there you go. So this is all up to height. Obviously without the tops, we've got the first pillar, if we call it a pillar. The first lump done. I just didn't manage to get the other one done, which is a shame. I know I was quite enthusiastic this morning, but it's just been hard work because it's the stone. Trying to keep all the big bits and all the corners of the stone, and you know, like these lovely bits and that, we've got to keep them for the tops, because you think we've got to literally put tops on, boff, and there's a lot of corners. So it just, yeah, like I say, it's just been a bit hard work, especially working that side. You know, I was having to get the muck over continuously. It's just long day. But you know what, the weather's been lovely. But there you go, look, it's proper started to form now. You can sort of see what I've been going on about. Like I say, this one's done. Got that back wall in. That is all dead flat, up to height. Lovely jubbly. But yeah, just, yeah, proper going for it. But there you go, look, you can sort of see it now. So the seat's on. So all we've got to do now tomorrow is smash in a wall, boff like that, and then boff like that. Just exactly the same as that one there, and then bomb. Just so it's dead symmetrical. So what you can see there is going there, basically. So, and then once we've got that in, we can then crack on with the tops. But I think these tops are going to be hard work. I've been trying to use up all the rough stuff and all the small bits of stone for the build, and that's just what's knocked me back today. You know, it's a good old chunk anyway, really. Like I say, there's lots of corners and stuff to think about. But yeah, it would have been nice just to get that little wall in there. But you know, it is what it is. I've absolutely tried. Absolutely drenched today. It has been proper humid. Oh, just knackered. I need some water. I've got no water with me today. Gone in all right. Like I say, I'm excited to get these tops on now. Sort of, you know, it's got a cool little shape, really, actually. But anyway, let's go collect the tools up and head to the van. Oh, absolutely nearly pooed myself. I thought I didn't have my bottle then. I got back and thought, you know what, I'm going to faint. Absolutely non-stop. Oh, but yes, what a day. Oh, I am glad today's done. It's been hard work. It's not just because it's a Sunday. It's just, like I say, that stone is just going to be touch and go. Like, I think I have saved enough for it, but I've probably actually saved too much, really. It's going to be tight, but I do think we're going to have enough to do it. It's just sort of knocked me back, really. You know what I mean? Like most of the time, sort of, you know, your tops are separate, or you've got a separate pile, or they're like, you know, you're going to get new tops in. And on this one, it's a bit like we're sort of making our own, like, so. Yes, no, it's all good. That's why we put the bench seat on as well, because we just had to. Because, you know what I mean? Obviously, yeah, if they got smashed or whatever, it's just, yeah. Yes, but yeah, I just, oh, I need a beer. Need a beer. I need something cold anyway, ice cold. But yes, that's say roll on tomorrow, get that little bit of wall in, get the tops on, big old clear up, you know what I mean, and lovely jubbly job done. And yeah, another one done. But yeah, let's get on home. Thank you very much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in a bit.